What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to open Ria money transfer account. So you might be wondering what are the steps here that you need to do to open a Ria money transfer account. Well, it's actually pretty simple. First things first, you want to download the Ria money transfer app here on your device. Once you have it installed, let's go and click on open. Now from here, you want to go and click on register at the bottom right of your screen. And you just need to follow the on-screen steps that you'll be seeing here. So first, you want to specify your country of residence. So in this case, go ahead and click on it and just specify it. Now once you've done that, let's go and click on yes. Now from the next pages here, it's going to ask you to create your account. So first is you need to enter an email and its password that you want to use here. So go ahead and provide those details. Now from here, you will need to enter a phone number that you can link to your account here. So just specify the phone number here, and also you may have the option to choose your country code here. So for example, let's go and choose this one and just enter the phone number and hit on continue. But once you hit on continue, it will send you a verification code on your phone here, or in this case on your account, on your mobile device, and just basically enter that verification code and you should be able to be redirected to the last page here, which in this case is your account being created. But once you've created your account, they will ask you to provide further details about yourself, like for example, your full name and some details about yourself, like for example, providing a proof of ID, like a driver's license or a passport, in order to just verify your identity. And also, they may ask you to basically do a short selfie for yourself, which in this case, you just need to move your phone around while the front camera is actually turned on, just to verify that you are who you really are. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.